going to Ikea. He's an American alligator. Anyway. Hi. I moved house this morning. I'm going to Ikea because there's a few things up here I need to buy. We're just kind of looking, my room's a bit empty, so, and I have no drawers or anything, so I either need to go to the Salvos and get, that's my plan. I'm also starving, I'm a bit peckish, so we're gonna get some food. Like okay, so here's something, I'm gonna let Kat drive for a second, but what I want to show you is kind of, because I haven't really taken a vlog of like how they drive. Oh my gosh, it's so fine. We are so fine. You are dramatic. Let me show you what I can see, okay? Girl, I drive trucks for a living through here every single day. You probably get on their tailbones like a bus. I don't. I sit so far back in my truck. I sit even further than this back in my truck. I don't believe you. But there's some Ford over there. That's kind of cool. We have Ford in the States. Anyway. No comment. That's the steering wheel. Oh, Toyota and KFC. Okay, Hungry Jack's. See, the exit signs are pretty normal, and the speed signs I guess are pretty normal. This car is way too high tech for me. I hate it. Look at that beeps car. At everything. Yeah, because they didn't want to do the little swing diggy sissy sauce go back that we have to do. You know what? Oh, there's Aldi. See? Aldi. Yay. To say we, like as in, so if you were saying we something, no, well yes, but more so like if you were saying, oh, I'm just going for a wee walk, it would mean just a little, like a really small little walk. I mean, I know what it is, but why would I say we? Well, we always say it. I would just say a little walk, or I'm gonna go for a walk. Actually, I would just say a stroll. I'm gonna go for a stroll. If I'm like 45 I can't even tell you my fact. Hi. Thing number one, food. Oh, wow. I got a little apple cake and some cream. I ate a bit before I came. Shh. I'm gonna steal a meatball from Tell Cat. Oh my goodness, did you steal a meatball? Oh well, you'd better rate it out of 10. It's a good meatball. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Good job, Ikea. He's at the strawberry farm, and the farmer comes around with a truckload of cow poop. The boy says, well, what are you going to do with that? He says, I'm going to put it on my strawberries. The boy goes, oh, we didn't really put cream on our strawberries. Have you ever wondered what to buy at Ikea? I have two. I get on my handy dandy laptop. Yep. Wait, I need a chair. Wait, but I kind of like chairs with a backing on it because I can go. Perhaps don't get a stool then. It comes with a hand. It pushes your chair in and out for you. Hand, I need the chair pushed out. That would be something that would be in the windmill at the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang movie. The what? What? Seriously? The windmill? The Chitty Chitty Bang Bang movie. Oh, I haven't really seen that, but I know about it. Wait, this one has cushion. But it's also $60. This is kind of nice. We'll come back when we've made a decision. Okay guys, I think a decision has been made. Yes, decision has been made. But here's the real question. How am I gonna like get this? Like, am I gonna walk around the whole store with this chair? Yes. Is that what people do? Yeah. I know. Only $5 more and I get a backing so I can go. And look at these other chairs. Chair. Yay! How many chairs can you pick up? Just want to point out, in this competition I'd probably win. No. Yes. I could totally pick up like 10 chairs. Of those? Yeah. Those I bet more. To be continued buying more than you are.
Yes.
As of right now. That's just because we haven't found what she needs yet. Hello. My name is Bob.
Hi, my name is Larry. What are you guys doing in there? It must be cold. What are you doing in the fridge, you silly billies? Guys, we talked about this, okay? Just because it's a nicer, more expensive fridge doesn't mean that you can go playing in there, okay? Just stay out here like the rest of us. I don't want to have to tell you again. Guys, we've talked about this, okay? How about we'll just go with all appliances. You cannot be inside of any appliances. Thank you.
Oh, I just hate when the sun hits my chocolate bar. Alright, so quick update is I still have my little jar that I got, but Kat has yet to find what she needs.
Oh, my great aunt, my dad's aunt Elsie, come home one day from the shops with all this dog food, and they were like, "What's up with the dog food?" She was like, "It's all on special," and they were like, she's like, "It was really cheap." They were like, "But we don't have a dog," and she goes, "For that price, I'd buy the bloody dog." And now that's a story in our family. Whenever someone's buying something unnecessarily just because it's cheap, we go, "Well, I'd buy the bloody dog." So I've got a joke for you. If you're an American when you go into the toilet, and you're American when you come out of the toilet, what are you while you're in the toilet?
European.
European. And on that note, I need some European pillowcases.
So Kat right now is looking for sheets still.
Yeah.
And more bedding. And have we moved past a dresser, or not dresser?
Yeah, yes.
We've moved past not getting a side table thingy today. I have picked up some extra little goodies along the way that, do I need them? That's to be determined. But, look, it's a monkey.
I see a monkey.
Yeah, it's up there. Anyway, we're on hour 1. So, or hour 2. Oh, that's a nice bag. Alright, so this rug right here is probably one of the softest rugs ever. And honestly, I just love when rugs are so soft. Shout out to Jim and Tammy, you know who you are. Well, maybe my mom will say to watch this video because of that. But I think that your carpets in your family room are one of the softest carpets I've ever felt, and I could just lay down on those. Anyway, so thanks for having those super soft carpets. Anyway, Kat doesn't like filming in public. Like, I don't like filming in public, but the thing is I don't mind it. If I'm filming with someone, it's when I'm without someone. I get a boost of confidence when I'm with another person. Kat, on the other hand, just does not want to whip out this camera in the store.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm currently looking for a rug. There are many options. I have one that's on special for $19 currently in my bag. But why are all the cute ones so expensive? Oh, like this. Like, I would buy this. But not for $600.
No.
Not for $600.
No.
But it's okay, because we're still looking. This is really nice.
This is what I would
Feels terrible?
to is like,
But I like it.
just like walk. I could just imagine like my feet. Yeah. When I am picking out a rug for my future home, like I will spend $500 on this. Or just good carpet. Yeah. But then again, a rug, like you can replace a rug with carpet, it gets a little pricey if you try to replace it.
Guys, you'll never believe what this is.
A watermelon.
Oh, keep guessing.
A banana. I don't know. I'm out of ideas.
Shoes.
Shoes. Oh,
Shoe
shoe
rack.
rack. Oh, wonderful. Yay. Be loved. You know KCF?
It's to be loved by you.
No, I don't. Kind Christian fellow. I'm looking for a kind Christian fellow to just be friends with.
Never mind. Come back in a wee second.
Wee! Jesus, God's righteousness we feel in the name of the Lord. That's good. Let freedom ring when the streets cry out freedom. So, what are we doing now, Kat?
We're gonna go to Kmart and get some bed sheets, hopefully. What else are we getting?
Fingers crossed applesauce.
I'd love to say applesauce after lots of things.
No, I like
love it
saying
for
fingers
you.
crossed applesauce. Fingers crossed applesauce. Because it rhymes. I'm a rhymer.
You're a poet and you didn't know it.
I like to rhyme all the time. Anything else? No? Alright.
Guys, I'm on a mission to film all of the random things Emily says while we're in Kmart, okay? Wow. Look at this pedal. I wasn't ready. That's incredible.
Hello.
What is that? Oh my goodness. You caught him. I thought it was impossible to catch the gingerbread man.
Look.
It's
Santa's
a gravy boat, but it's Santa. I actually really like this. This is fun.
Oh. How much gravy do you want? Well, Santa, not me.
Right, yeah.
That's so cute. Big bottles. And with straws. You can't tell me that's not
If only we needed 6 little bottles and straws. It's a cute air fryer.
Look how cute those are.
Okay, we have acquired the sheets, the queen sized ones. I like them. I kind of wish though, are there more sheets? There's not more sheets. I kind of wish it was more like this colour brown though. Because
looks the same to me.
no, it's not, they're different. Those are different. No!
Please choose carefully as change of mind refunds are not available on linens.
They are different browns, okay?
Hey, just so you know.
Do you know what else is nice?
Me. Santa.
Actually, I want to look back this way. And because I'm an independent woman, I can go where I like. Oh, they've got the European pillowcases. Okay, what colours do I want? Okay, so my duvet cover is like a linen, like mustardy, quite a light mustardy colour.
Wait, are you
And we're doing brown pillowcases, but these are a different brown, I think. Could you please put this up against this? Are these the same colour?
No. That's peach, and this is like a more brown. Uh-huh. What color would you say that is?
Nuh-uh.
What color is that?
It's brown.
This?
Yeah.
Pink.
No,
So
it's
it's right
brown.
there. Pink.
It's brown.
This one's tan, it says. This one's pink.
Okay,
but
well
no,
then
look at
maybe
this.
I get the green ones. Or the white ones. Maybe I do white ones. Okay, I think I'm gonna get 2 of these.
Oh, cat.
2 of these. Okay, Kat's coming. What do you reckon we're gonna find? It's a duvet cover.
Oh, never mind. So
Okay.
you don't like this?
No, I like that. I think I'm
you
gonna
like
get
this.
it.
Okay,
I
great.
think we're gonna get it. I think we're getting it.
I like this.
We're getting it.
Hello. Hello.
What's that?
So don't come over here.
Why am I not coming over here?
Oh, no one's written any letters to Santa. I have. Look, he's in the globe. We have to rescue him. I'm going to eat all the pistachios. Hello. I'm going to eat your pistachios. So don't put them in my mouth. Ah! I do like this. This is cute.
It's cute, hey. I like it. Guys, look at these baskets. They're so cute. It kind of goes.
It does.
Especially with like the mustard. My theme's like mustard, green, and kind of creams. That actually really works. Should I buy that? Ask me if I should buy it.
As Sammy would like to say.
Do I need it? Should I buy it?
If you ask Sammy, he would say yes to everything that you're saying right now.
I like Sammy.
Me too.
How much is it?
Doesn't matter. I think it's $10.
Sold.
The more we look, the more we buy, the more we buy, the more our bank account goes, oh,
Bye-bye.
I don't have any more money for you.
Do you know what that reminded me of?
What?
Reminded me of this,
The more you eat, the more you toot, the more you toot, the more you, I don't remember what it is. Go ahead.
Beans, good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel. So eat baked beans for every meal. Guys, I crack myself up. So aggressive.
Emily got me things. She's the best. And I took a poop. And now my body's feeling super great because I'm not full of it, you know?
And while she was doing a really nice thing, giving me flowers and raspberries, I made a slightly mean Instagram story about her pooping. So she doesn't deserve that, but it's too late. I pressed in.
That's alright. I know
It's pretty funny though. It's pretty funny.
It's all in jokes.
Pretty funny.
Even if it's you're using a potty mouth.
Would be a great place to sing.
What is your name?
Jesus, you deserve the praise.
What key are we singing in? Because I feel like we're not singing the same one.
You sang a key, and then no. What happened then was she sang a key. I harmonized it, and then she changed the key.
Oh, I was
Jesus,
you deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Oh, let me know. Spoiler. That's a good meatball.